puppy. Today let's find out the names of 16 different wild animals. Part 2 of 6. The first animal on our list for the day is the chimpanzee. Chimpanzee. Then we have the leopard. Leopard. Next is the zebra, which can also be pronounced as zebra. Zebra or zebra. Next is giraffe. Giraffe. Then we have kangaroo. Kangaroo. Next is the reindeer. Reindeer. Then we have slow loris. Slow loris. The next animal on our list for the day is the panda. Panda. Then we have koala. Koala. Then we have okapi. Okapi. Then we have marten. Marten. Next is marmoset. Marmoset. The next animal on our list for the day is the aye-aye. Aye-aye. Next is skunk. Skunk. Moving on, we have moose. Moose. And the last animal on our list for the day is the hyena. Hyena. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know the names of so many different wild animals. And for more fun videos like this, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. And be sure to check out the other parts of our wild animal series to know the names of more animals. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.